Hi guys, my name is Chloe. Let's see it. Wow! Look, it's rainbow. Oh, that one. Ooh, it's brightly. Ta-da! This is blue. This is
Green.
This is red. This is brown. Everything colors. I like it. Blue! Blue! Ay, red na lang mali. Kasi watermelon yun eh.
Ah, ganun, watermelon yung red. Eh, pag blue, ano yun? Baka bubble gum. What do you think?
I don't know.
But, sige. Lagay mo na to dun sa box.
So cozy. Kapin...
Okay, you got this. Me? Yeah. After
Eat.
you, buddy.
Yummy.
They're on the roof. You go. You talking to me?
Ang lasa. Watermelon.